Okay, so this has just arrived through the post. This is a 14-inch pipe master made by the Erie Toolworks, Erie, USA. There are a couple of other similar ones I've got. The blue one is a ridgid, the red one is a record leader, and the light red one is a HIT Deluxe made in Japan. So this is a 14-inch record leader, an 18-inch leader, a 24-inch record leader, and a 36-inch record leader. Humongous, exceedingly heavy, this one. Now, to add on top of those, a few ridgid offsets, 3 14-inch and an 18-inch. And to add to the pile, 2 10-inch Russian branches and a Bahco 142. My Paramo pipe wrenches, a 10, a 12, an 18 and a 24-inch. And 3 Hermers, an 8, a 10 and a 12.